congratulate the parents whose children are getting these prizes today. We have from last year Standard 2, now in Standard 3, a student who has got 100% attendance for the last 2 years, Saiasmi Gupta. From last year 3, now in 4, we have some newcomers, Rajveer Saneja, Hunar Bawa and Avika Puneet Arora. Now students in Standard 5, last year's 4th, Yashav Agarwal, Virat Yadav and Parthivi Yadav. For the second year is Virat Radev. Last year Standard 5, now in 6, Gayatri Tripathi, Edward Noonan, Annapurna Noonan. Please give a big hand, 5th year consecutive, 100% attendance. Bhairavi Balecha and Ananya Solanki. I request Annapurna, Saiasmi and Virat to receive the prize on behalf of the group. And thank you to these parents for keeping your children healthy and sent to school every single day.